There are things that are encompassed in physical rehabilitation that any practice can do. What are examples of this? Any post-operative patient can undergo passive range of motion. They can be waking up from surgery, especially animals that are undergoing orthopedic procedures. They can have their limbs put through ranges of motion and they're completely asleep. They're still anesthetized waking up, and you're doing passive range of motion on them. You can massage them while they're asleep or waking up from surgery, and you can use things like cryotherapy. So icing, immediate post-operative icing, can be done for the first 48 hours, every 6 to 8 hours, and it's very beneficial for decreasing inflammation, reducing edema, helping things that would occur from a surgical procedure that's been done on them. So there are things that you can do that are not, you don't have to be certified in physical rehabilitation to do. If it's anything that is going to be physical rehabilitation, the veterinary technician is not allowed to work or to perform rehab exercises or things unless they're under the direction of a rehabilitation veterinarian. The veterinarian, maybe they're not directly in the room, and after they learn what the technician's knowledge is, they can say, all right, these are the exercises I want you to perform, document what's done, what happens, and this way I'll know. If there is not a rehabilitation veterinarian at the practice, it's going to be a little difficult. I will say that at the Canine Rehabilitation Institute in Florida, where I graduated from, you're encouraged to not work for anybody except a rehabilitation veterinarian. At the rehabilitation school at the University of Tennessee, they have technicians that are allowed to work with the primary care veterinarian and perform rehabilitation therapy. But the American Association of Rehabilitation Veterinarians would advise technicians to not be performing rehabilitation unless they are under the direct auspices of a rehabilitation veterinarian who is certified also.